Qualities of people with Libra Sun Sign. Individuals with a Libra Sun Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the harmonious and diplomatic nature of Libra. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Libra Sun Sign. Balanced and harmonious. Libra Sun individuals value balance and harmony in all aspects of life. They strive to find equilibrium and avoid conflicts or extremes. They have a natural sense of fairness and justice. Social and diplomatic. They have a strong social nature and enjoy building relationships. Libra Sun people have excellent diplomatic skills and can navigate different social situations with ease. They are skilled at finding common ground and promoting cooperation. Cooperative and team-oriented. They thrive in collaborative environments and enjoy working as part of a team. Libra Sun individuals are skilled at mediating conflicts and finding compromises. They value cooperation and believe in the power of unity. Refined and cultured. They have refined tastes and appreciate the finer things in life. Libra Sun people often have a keen interest in art, culture, and aesthetics. They have an eye for beauty and seek to surround themselves with elegance and harmony. Fair-minded and just. They have a strong sense of fairness and justice. Libra Sun individuals value equality and believe in treating others with respect and fairness. They are natural mediators and strive to find win-win solutions in conflicts. Charming and diplomatic. They have a natural charm and grace that attracts others to them. Libra Sun individuals know how to make people feel valued and appreciated. They have a way with words and can navigate delicate conversations with tact and diplomacy. Indecisive and considerate. They can be indecisive at times as they weigh all the options and consider different perspectives. Libra Sun individuals are considerate of others' opinions and strive to make choices that benefit everyone involved. Romantic and relationship-oriented. They have a strong desire for romantic relationships and meaningful connections. Libra Sun people are devoted partners and prioritize harmonious and loving relationships. They thrive in partnerships and value companionship. Peace-loving and non-confrontational. They have a strong aversion to conflict and strive to maintain peace in their surroundings. Libra Sun individuals prefer diplomacy and compromise over confrontation. They seek to find common ground and avoid confrontational situations. Aesthetic and stylish. They have a natural sense of style and appreciate beauty in all its forms. Libra Sun individuals often have a refined and tasteful sense of fashion and enjoy expressing themselves through their appearance. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets in the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.